Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Top Notch Renovation Update 2-2.772463/A. Here's a little issue I had. I ordered the wrong lighting for the boardwalk. I should have known that it was DC, but I did not know, and I use AC lighting, so we got to reorder that lighting. Over here, I started the rock walls and the carving, and let me tell you something, the carving takes time, and so this is as far as I got in the carving area, and I'll paint this probably. I'll start painting it tomorrow, and we'll see where we go from there. And then when we come back down this way, I have I don't know, about 30 feet here worth of carving to do, but I'm going to go back and I'm going to paint what I carved out already on the rock wall, and then we'll come and we'll get this part here. Cool stuff. I hope you're enjoying the renovation updates.